Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create this real sort of psychedelic background kind of this design that you can apply across, like I say, backgrounds for branding, magazines, a wide range of things. A very simple process for you to follow, but as you can see, a really powerful technique that you can use to your imagery and designs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this top layer here, press backspace to remove. And as you can see, I've started off with a nice flowery, bright, colorful image. With that layer highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Going to keep the radius to around 12 and press OK. And then what I need to do is go to Filter, Liquify. And now using my forward warp tool, I'm just going to come through. Can you see I've got a size around sort of 2000 there, pressure at 100 and density at 50. I'm going to start coming through now. And as you can see, really start bending and warping this image. Like so, really try to get a nice sort of pattern in here. Like that. Yeah, so I'm happy with that there. Like so. And now I'm going to press OK. Now to that layer, what I'm now going to do is use my rectangle tool. I'm going to make a selection across the whole page there. And if I right click, I'm going to use layer via copy. Now you can see that warpy blend pattern design that I've created now is on its own individual layer. And then what I'm simply going to do now is come to filter and use the same liquify again. Let's do it again. Filter, liquify. There we go. And let's do it one more time. Filter, liquify. Pretty happy with that, to be fair. Just going to make sure I go to filter, liquify to start off again. I'm just going to do a little bit more warping and rotation myself there. Let's take that off there like so. Maybe bring that down there. Like so. And press OK. Now what I'll need to do is turn off our base layer here. And as you can see, we've got a bit of spacing there and a nice solid color adjustment layer of black. Really defines the pattern that you have created. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the course that we offer, us as tutors, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.